I want to show you a few places where you can file your taxes online for free. And no, I'm not talking about sketchy websites or free until you check out. 100% free websites where you can file your taxes online for free. And stick around to the end because the last option might surprise you. Not only will it save you money, it might even earn you money. Let's go. All right, so these are going to be in order from my least favorite all the way to my favorite. And as we go along, I'm going to explain why I put them in this order. So the first one is from TaxAct, and you can find them at taxact.com. I also have it linked in the description. So to qualify for TaxAct free file program, you need to be between 20 and 60 years old and make no more than $89,000, or be active duty military and make less than $89,000. I don't think there's many active duty military over 60 years old, so you'd probably fall into this bracket right here. Unless you're 18 or 19 in active duty, you'd qualify over here. So if you do qualify for the free federal return through TaxAct, you'll also qualify for a free state return if you're in one of these states right here. And if you're not in one of these 10 states, you'd have to pay $39.99 to file your state return with TaxAct. And that's why I'm putting this one last. Next is from TaxSlayer, and to qualify with TaxSlayer, you need to make anywhere between $19,000 and no more than $89,000, and also be younger than 67 years old, or you're active duty military and make less than $89,000 a year. So if you qualify for the free file program through TaxSlayer, you're also eligible to file a free state return in these 22 states. And if you don't qualify to file a free return, federal return is $22.99 and your state return would be $39.99. All right, let's keep moving here. Next is H&R Block, where you can file your state and your federal return for free. But there is a catch. It's only if you file a simple return like a 1040. If you have itemized deductions, if you have capital gains, if you have multiple properties, side income, you wouldn't qualify to file for free. So free to file state and federal, simple returns, student, unemployment income, W-2 employees, CTC, which is your child tax credit, and EITC, earned income tax credit, will qualify. Next is TurboTax, which is just about the same terms as H&R Block. If you file a simple return, you get to file for free. If you own a business, itemized deductions, anything like that, you won't be able to file for free. You can start for free, like down here. If I scroll down right here, it says $0 with the asterisk next to it, all the way up to $99. That's if you file yourself. If you file with expert help, like you have questions or you just need a little bit more help, it's $39 to $159. Or if you don't want to do any of that yourself, you hand them your paperwork and they do everything for you. It's $150 for a limited time. But we are here for free filing, so I won't get into any of those paid options. So TurboTax, if you notice as we go along, that's going to be right in the middle. It's not the best, but far from the worst. The next one is from OLT, Online Taxes. And you might be thinking, never heard of it. Sounds pretty sketchy. Well, OLT has been around for a long time, and they're also a trusted partner on the IRS.gov website. So all you need to qualify for the free return is to make $51,000 a year or less, or active duty military making under $89,000 a year. And this offer is valid with all ages in all states. And if you don't meet that criteria, your federal return with OLT is always free, and your state return is only $9.95. Next is Free Tax USA, which has the same qualifications to file for free as OLT, under $51,000 a year, or active duty military making under $89,000 a year. And if you qualify for federal, state is also free. If you don't qualify, state is $15.99. They will try to upsell you. For example, here for $7.99, you get deluxe features, which include priority support, live chat, and unlimited amended returns, which means if you make a mistake, an e-file, you can go back and revise that return and resend it. Then they also have a pro support, which also offers personal tax advice, access to Tax Pro, phone support, live screen share, and federal and state tax help. The last one, and this might surprise some people, is one of the best free tax softwares out there, is from Chime. So if you're not familiar with Chime, they're a fintech bank like Cash App, offering things like bank accounts, fee-free overdraft, and more. But now they're also offering 100% free tax filing service. And not only free federal, free state, no fees to file and no upsells. And unlike H&R Block and TurboTax, you'll still qualify to file for free even if you report self-employment income, unemployment income, crypto, or even stock sales. You also receive free tax filing support. The only downside to filing for free with Chime, if you can call it a downside, is you need to set up a Chime account, and the Chime account's 100% free. But right now, when you file through the link in my description, you can earn $100 by signing up for Chime and following a few simple steps. So not only can you file your state and federal taxes for free through Chime and get your max refund, you can also earn $100 by doing nothing else but setting up an account and following a few simple steps. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope this list was helpful. Don't forget to check out all my other financial content if you're new to the channel. Links in the description. See you next time.